So, in today's video, we are going to remove this wing because as you can see it's damaged quite badly. So we're gonna remove that and check if there is any further damages inside.
So basically we're just removing the wheel now. Well, I just filming, like he's removing. We'll see how it gonna get.
And I'm struggling with the cap, like always.
As well as the gun. Oh, that's our friend for today.
Where is the socket?
Oh, there you go. All the sockets over there. I want to. Okay. So I wanna inspect all the damages what is here. It doesn't look like it has the damage, but when you put the car down, that's the wheel, the tire is rubbing up close to here. So we wanna remove the wing and see if it's everything fine over there, because if we're gonna want to test that, we don't wanna break the wheel arches or whatever it calls, covers. So it doesn't look like a big damage. That light works fine. We need another light. Well,
at least the wheel is not stuck.
Well, that's one good thing. Like, see how it looks like. Where's my flashlight? Let me see if it's any damage here. It doesn't look any damage at all. I cannot see how is that. Well, the suspension arm, we might need to change it. I'm not sure about that rubber. Yeah. But that doesn't look very bad at all, really.
Okay, so what we are going to do now, I'm going to remove the arch liner in order to access the wing, and Alvaro is going to remove, well, sort of remove this side skirt so we could have access in here. So yeah, let's get into it.
Damn, I don't think so. I'm gonna need to remove all, because by removing a couple bolts here, that's supposed to go down a bit. Freezing cold, like.
Well, it's winter and we're living in Scotland.
Typical Scotland weather. So, to remove side skirt, there's a clips here, and one over here. So it's like clips like this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's supposed to come off now. Oh, there you go. Well, the liner itself, it doesn't look like it's broken. Let's see how it's everything over here. So, basically that's gonna need to go. It's broken. Oh. There must be some bolts over here. I know it's from inside. No. It's from another side. So basically all that side is done. Just waiting for him to remove. We're gonna need to remove screen washer. Because behind the screen washer is another 2 bolts holding that wing. So basically all what I see, it's not that big of the damage. It's just like usually the wing. Well, of course I'm gonna need to change that one, all that slam panel, as I don't think so you can replace just that bit, or maybe, I'm not sure, I need to see really. No, that's not, I cannot replace that. It doesn't look like you can replace just that. All goes together.
So what we're gonna do now is to remove the slam panel because we have damage in here that holds the light. So we need to basically remove all of it. But first of all, we're gonna remove the crash bar and that's it.
And the crash bar is held by this kind of split sockets. I think it's an M10 socket, if I'm correct. Just let me see if it's at the one. I think it's an M10, I think it is. Or maybe, no, it's an M12. Probably. No. An M10, like I said. So yeah, it's an M10 light socket, like that. And just holds one ball here, and there's extra two balls over there. But to get to them, we're gonna need to remove this plastic covers. Here we don't have one, so you can see it even better here. You can see one ball here, and then another two balls here on the top.
And what we're gonna do also is we're gonna remove the crash bar and paint it black because we got the honeycomb grill that doesn't actually fit with we got polyester thing which goes on top of it, but since we have got aftermarket grill, it doesn't fit on it, so we'll need to paint this one completely black so it would look better once the front bumper will be on.
Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm good.
So what I'm going to do now is just polish a little bit all these crash bars. We finished putting the slam panel on, and what's left is to put the crash bar, which is here, and then we're gonna paint with the black paint on top of it when it's gonna be placed in like on the car, because we think if we paint it right now we'll have to leave it in here for it to dry, so we'd rather just do it on the car and then place all the bits back together.
Yeah.
Should be fine
Ah,
on
it's
your
over here.
side, yeah.
Okay.
It's only on my side what's really rusty.
Mine was rusty as well, but I managed to do the second thing.
So, place the crash bar now. Nice and...
Nice and shiny, nice and tidy, nice and nice.
Also, the crash bar had these weird washers that hold it in place. So, we're gonna put them back. And...
Okay.
Black crash bar gonna add 10 horsepower. Because there will be more weight on the front, so it will be like downforce will be more higher on the front, so it will accelerate better. And that's the only reason why we're painting it black. To get the full potential of this car.
That's gonna dry for at least a week. Hopefully the car gonna be ready in the next couple years.
Well, we plan to put the bumper on in like 2 or 3 days, but I think we'll need to wait a little bit longer.
Because I have the bumper, but I just waiting for the.
That's the light, and then
So
we have the front bumper in here, but it's, well, we're still waiting for the light and the passenger side wing, because it's really hard to get one, especially the white color. So we got the different color and we're gonna paint it. Well, you know a guy who gonna do that for us. So yeah, it'll be nice and shiny.
So we let the crash bar dry over the night as we was painting it in black, because it's not gonna be looking nice when we're gonna put the bumper in, because the bumper has honeycomb and, well, it's better when it's black. So if you can see, that's kind of gloss. It looks nice, like. And also I cleaned the washer tank, because if you can see, well, I forget to show you how it was on before cleaning, but it kind of looks like it's somebody put oil in it, not washer, as it was completely black. So that's good. I saved a couple pounds on buying new one, so I didn't need to buy new one. So that's one good thing. So then now just wait for the wing and the light to arrive, and hopefully that will be it for finish that project. And, well, I appreciate you if you can subscribe and click that like button, and I see you in the next video. I see you.